What's up, guys? So we are up here. As you can see, I'm dropping off my bike and my helmets. I got an Icon Air Flight here. I got the Rock helmet here. So he's going to be doing some vinyl ideas, sticker rack stuff on this bike for me. Brian's a dope dude. He does great work. We're going to take a brief look at his shop. He told me to wait until he cleans up. I told him it really didn't matter. He has the coolest dog. That's Gus. Gus is a Cane Corso. You pretty much name it as far as aftermarket and customizing your vehicle, whether it be a bike, a car, he does it. Brian, I pretty much told the people what it is that you do, but let's hear it from your mouth. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you had to say kind of what the gist of your shop is, Executive Electronics, tell us a little bit about it, its history and stuff.
Yeah, so it was my wife and I, we started up basically out of like a small garage, stuck out there for a couple years and kind of grew into this place. I've been in the industry like 14 years now by myself. Do like audio, remote starters, LED lighting, custom graphics, we do wraps, do window tint, keep the warranties, you know, keep them honest. There's a lot of shops in the area and where I'm from in Buffalo that, you know, just don't really treat their customers well, and you know, that's why we opened up the shop, just so we could treat people the right way, you know. Yeah, so I mean, this is where all it happens in the back. We just keep our stock up top here.
Okay.
You know, keep all of our tint and stuff in this area here. Just try to keep it as organized as I can by myself, but majorly a lot of the stuff that happens, it's on this machine here. We just got this a little over 2 years ago, and it's been awesome. We can collaborate with different artists and stuff that do graphic design, so we can kind of like pinpoint like exactly what you're looking for, you know, and deliver that.
You just recently did a job out of town for like a Kroger's or something like that, right? Talk a little bit about that.
So it was cool because we work with a company. They usually rebuild the Kroger's, like update them and everything. So they wanted to change the colors on the checkout counters and like your customer service area. They had like a light wood grain in there, and it was, you know, just getting beat up and kind of looked nasty. So instead of spending like $20,000 plus on each checkout lane, we just resurfaced them, made it look 100% better at like a quarter of the cost. We do like interiors of boats, you can do interiors of your kitchen, like you want to resurface, like, you know, you want to change your front door color, you can do that too. Like, the sky's the limit with this stuff. It's awesome.
If you want to get your child's bicycle tricked out, all right? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, come see Brian. What is your social media stuff, man?
extcolumbus.com is where you can generally get all of our social media. Facebook, we're on as Executive Electronics.
Come check out Brian. Tell him that Dana sent you. He's going to take care of you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. He told me.